Namaste. In the last session, we understood the different terms used for urine use, that is, Amroli and Shivambu. Now, in this session, we'll look at the different references found in different Vedic as well as religious scriptures. We find the mention of Shivambu not only in Ayurveda and Hindu spiritual texts, but also in other religious texts also, like Jainism, Buddhism, Christianity, and in Islamic literature. In Ayurvedic scriptures, there is a mainly Shushrut Samhita, one of the main document published in Ayurveda, that is Shushrum Samhita, which says that human urine can defeat any poison. There is one more scripture known as Bhav Prakash, which says human urine is a destroyer of any toxins or a poison, and it is effective extract which is good for consumption. It cures all types of skin lesions. It is sharp, mineral rich, and salty in taste. There is one more book named as Ashtanga Sangraha, which says human urine is a destroyer of eye diseases and intestinal worms. In Harit Samhita, very beautifully urine therapy is explained, which says human urine is often salty, bitter, sometimes tasteless. It cures eye diseases, improves digestive fire, and removes excessive cough and balgam. In Yoga Ratnakar and one more textbook, that is Bhaishaj Ratnavali, the importance of human urine is explained. In these scriptures, importance of human urine as a medicine is mentioned, which is useful in management of various chronic diseases. It is used in many Ayurvedic formulation as an important ingredient. There is one more textbook named as Nighantu Ratnakar, which says human urine is laxative and rich with useful electrolytes. It is bitter, dry, and destroys intestinal worms and dental caries. It can cure any wounds, skin ailments, paralysis, neurological diseases, and even negative energy afflictions. Sodal Nighantu, one more very important text in Ayurveda, which explains human urine can win over any poisons. It can cure arthritis and inflammations. Well, not only in Ayurveda, there are different Vedic literature in Hinduism. There is one Rigved which says Tanureva Tanvo Astu Bheshajam. That means body is body's medicine. Body has body's medicine. Means when body falls ill, it must be treated by its using its own medicine found in its own body. Whereas further in Atharvaveda, there is one more verse. It comes in Sanskrit which says that anyone suffering must know that his urine is like a nectar for him. If disease is due to the wrong food and living, then his urine can cure it. There is one more Mahabharat Vashvamedhik Parva in Adhyay 55. It says there is a talk between Lord Krishna and Maharishi Uttanga in Mahabharat Vashvamedhik Parva Adhyay 55, in which also urine therapy is discussed. Not only in Hinduism, in other religious scriptures, we find urine therapy. In Jainism, the masters are called as Muni, and they often during their austerities do long fasting on self-urine. A reference is seen in ancient scripture, that is Bhadra Bahukruta Vyavahara Sutra. Even Bhagwan Buddha also advocated urine therapy. Bhagwan Buddha in Mahavagga has advised the use of self-urine in case of snake bite. In ancient Buddhist scripture, Hevraja Tantra, it is said that if urine is consumed with certain herbs, then one can live younger without aging and disease. There are references that Buddhist monks used to live longer up to 150 years using this technique. In India, there are many references of masters and practitioners of Shaiva, Aghori, Nama, Lama, old traditions have been effectively using urine for healing and in their spiritual sadhana. Even in Christianity, urine therapy is practiced. There are certain verses which is there in the Bible also. In Bible, there is a one sentence which comes, which says that drink water out of thine own cistern and running water out of thine own well. Means drink the water which has come out of our body after blood filtration and is stored in a bladder and flowing out. That is, bladder means well, he has referred it. In Islam also there is a mention of using urine, which says your medicine is in you and you do not know that. Your disease is also in you which you cannot see. So therefore, whatever was an ancient spiritual knowledge about Shivambu has become a therapy today. Even in yoga, or to be specific, yogasanas like yogic postures has become a popular therapy today. Earlier it was a sadhana, a spiritual practice. Similarly, today urine therapy also has become an alternative health practice. Any disease, we know that it's because of a accumulation of toxins. And the effect of urine taken in the body is of detoxification. So with the help of urine therapy, we are not only treating the symptoms, but we are treating the root cause of the disease. That is why it is more effective in treating all types of chronic diseases. Thus, Shivambu Chikitsa has today become popular as urine therapy. Thank you.